English speaking practice. So in today's video, I have brought for you 50 daily use sentences. You are watching me on English grooming skill. Let's begin.
I went with my friends. Urdu. Arabic. He is not in a condition to say anything. Urdu. Arabic. Someone has come to meet you. Urdu. Arabic. My brother told me about you. Urdu. Arabic. It's a strange coincidence. Urdu. Arabic. The party was over by 9 o'clock. Urdu. Arabic. Don't write on the wall. Urdu. Arabic. I am having breakfast. Urdu. Arabic. He got a lot of gifts. Urdu. Arabic. We all clapped. Urdu. Arabic. Come in immediately. Urdu. Arabic. Everyone blessed him. Urdu. Arabic. We blew up the balloons. Urdu. Arabic. We decorated the room. Urdu. Arabic. Pack the stuff. Urdu. Arabic. I was busy clicking photographs. Urdu. Arabic. The food will go cold. Urdu. Arabic. The food is ready. Urdu. Arabic. This place is worth seeing. Urdu. Arabic. It should be on the first floor. Urdu. Arabic. Don't hesitate to call me. Urdu. Arabic. Close the book. Urdu. Arabic. Who pushed you? Urdu. Arabic. How do you know me? Urdu. Arabic. I know who you are. Urdu. Arabic. I remember you. Urdu. Arabic. Do you recognize me? Urdu. Arabic. I don't recognize you. Urdu. Arabic. I am having tea. Urdu. Arabic. I am going home. Urdu. Arabic. I am going to see her. Urdu. Arabic. Who did you go with? Urdu. Arabic. We must not get late. Urdu. Arabic. Shall I talk to you later? Urdu. Arabic. I wanted him to win. Urdu. Arabic. What did you answer? Urdu. Arabic.